about 4 minutes or so until market opens. PayPal continues to sell off pre-market. All right. All right, so currently we have PayPal down over 20%. So we are holding some SPY puts as of now, so we'll see some NASDAQ, some PayPal puts, just one PayPal put that we swung overnight for earnings. We'll see how good this thing is doing. PayPal hitting new lows pre-market. Currently down over 20%. We got about 2 minutes left till market opens. So I currently have. Okay, we got 20 seconds till market opens. I have one PayPal put. I have a February 11th 160 put, which I bought for $2.60. PayPal is currently about $20 below my strike price. It's crazy. All right, there you go. Market has opened. See how much this put is worth. What was that notification? PayPal. All right, I just sold my PayPal put for $23.50. $55. Holy shit. Nasdaq selling off. Bro, now PayPal currently down 22%. Fuck. AMD selling off from the highs. It's only down about $3. Nasdaq kind of selling off a bit. Nothing crazy. Let's check out Square. Square is currently down 8% on the day from the news of PayPal. Nvidia is currently up 2% from the news of AMD. Nasdaq continues to sell off. What do I want? I'm gonna just wait a few more minutes to see what starts to set up here before I jump into anything. Sorry, I have like a dry throat. See what kind of bounce Nasdaq wants to have here. Let's see if it starts to push back up to this resistance that it has here. And then if it starts to reject, we'll go short. It's kind of getting rejected here. You could look to get short, but I want more of a confirmation. Because if you do jump in short there, you kind of be a little ahead of everybody, which isn't bad, but at the same time, you could get faked out. Nasdaq still on. I keep saying Nasdaq. PayPal still on the low. Watch out for that one. Currently down over 22%. How low will PayPal go? That's the question. Okay, Nasdaq's kind of rejecting here. We'll see what the next candle or so could do. I got in there at 123, looking pretty weak. Let's see if we can start breaking below the previous candle low. Okay, not good. Let's see if, yep, I'm out. Yeah, that's why you gotta wait for that confirmation, because if not, you're gonna get faked out like that. Be careful. It could still get rejected here though, but I got in a little early. I should have waited until it actually started breaking below, but it didn't. Got in early, and what happens? It's a good bounce though on Nasdaq. Very good bounce. A lot stronger than I thought I would have. So currently it's up about 1.1% still. Nasdaq is. PayPal currently down 22%. Square is down 6.4%. Let's check out AMD. AMD is up 9%. Nvidia 3%. Not bad. Hi, bud. S&P's a little slower to bounce here. If you guys look, S&P's lagging a little bit. It's currently only up 0.6 when Nasdaq's currently up 1.1. Nasdaq making another run here, like a monster that it is. Don't ever short this. This thing's a beast. I'm gonna just wait to see if it could give us a clear direction it wants to go in. Bro, PayPal is getting killed. Wow. PayPal is, oh my god, it's ugly. AMD's kind of selling off a little bit too. Just having trouble staying up there. We're just gonna continue to watch and see what wants to happen here. Nasdaq getting rejected there. Nice sell off. Big sell off. That's good. 5-minute chart was a perfect setup. If you guys see, it rejected right at that VWAP. So it did on the 1 minute. I'm gonna be patient with it and just chill out a bit though. PayPal, new low, currently down 24%. AMD continues to sell off still. Oh my god, PayPal. I got short there at 21. I'm out there at 06. Damn, that was a flush. Definitely getting a little bit more volatility today with this movement. PayPal down 24.4%. Nasdaq with a big sell-off. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. So if you guys look at the 1 hour chart, we had some resistance up here. It did rally quite a bit. It's from Friday all the way till today. Finally hit some resistance, trying to pull back. We'll see if we can make that move back down to 814. So far, so good. PayPal down 25%. God. Let's see, what's the next move for PayPal? I'm actually waiting to see if PayPal would bounce it a little bit, so that way I could get in some more puts for the rest of the week and for next week. I feel like the sell-off's gonna just continue in the next week or in the next week. Nasdaq trying to bounce here. AMD continues to sell off. It's only up about 7%. It was up about 10% pre-market. Gave up about 4% already. Nasdaq. Wow. Big rejection. Got in there at 61. Let's see if it continues. Gonna add one more there at 71. It's kind of holding here now, so let's see if we can start flushing again. Here we go. Yo, my orders took forever to execute. Whatever. I could continue to sell off here though. I just got out because it kind of was holding there and I saw that first green candle forming. I got out. Those orders took forever to execute though. They were just chilling there for a minute. If we do get a little bounce here sometime, within the next 20 minutes, 30 minutes, a solid bounce like we did here, back up to like 120, I'm probably gonna look to get some puts on QQQ to make that move back down, or on SPY for us to make this move back down to this level right here on the 1 hour chart, which would be about 815. To get a little relief, people are gonna be taking profits on the way down, so we finally hit our first resistance up here, so we finally hit that. I feel like people are going to start taking profits, so we might test that level again, 815, and then end up making a move back up later, but let's see if we can get a solid bounce here. AMD selling off still. Still making that move down. Doesn't want to slow down. SPY is making that move down as well. You guys can see on the 1 hour for the S&P as well, we hit that resistance, we got right above it, and now we're starting to sell off back. If we sell off back down, I could see this start testing this level of 444.90 or so. Let's see if it does. S&P. We've gave up almost, what is that? A little bit over 200 points on NASDAQ since we first opened. And on the S&P, we gave up about, what is that? About 40 points or so. That's about 30 points, sorry. 30 points since the top. Which equates to about 0.6, 0.7, 0.8%. Nasdaq wanting to bounce here a little bit. a solid bounce. Very solid bounce. Oh, that's a solid bounce on Nasdaq. Very good. See how the 1 hour is looking. So on the 1 hour, so we're having right now so far a little bounce on it. I'm still kind of expecting this to kind of make a move back down to 811, which is gonna be normal. Test that level again and then maybe start a skyrocket again. What is propping it up right now is those good earnings that had AMD, Google, because AMD is picking up Nvidia with it. Google is picking up Amazon with this. So we have a few companies that are up 2-3%, 4-5-6%. That are kind of picking up Nasdaq right now, and the market in general. I might buy some puts though. I'm gonna buy a 360 put for QQQ. If we start to break below 70, you can start going short again. I'm not. I'm just gonna wait. I want to get some more confirmation before I start going in right now. Once it starts to break 70, then I'll definitely start hitting that sell button. Now it's starting to go up here. It's trying to. Let's see if it can. I got in at 101. Let's see if this can make up to like 15. I got out there at 10. Just about 9 points there. Something small. Okay, let's see. I think it's time for those puts. Just gonna buy one 360 put on Nasdaq at 260. I am expecting this to kind of make a move back down to this level of 815. All right, get ready here. This is going to be when your time could be to short if it starts to break below 70. I got in at 68. Like, let's see if this movement continues. I'm gonna add there at 76. Let's see if this movement continues down, or if they're gonna hold it up. Alright, be careful here. Let's see what it wants to do. Let's see if we can get a flush down to 50. It's kind of holding there a little bit. The buyers are still trying to keep it up. We'll see if they could push it down. Got one at 59. Let's see if this could go a little lower, down to 50. I'm gonna just close it out there. It's taking a little too longer than I want. That's good though. Not bad. It's just kind of, there's too much fighting there. It's trying to bounce here again. Be careful. I do believe that if it wasn't for those good earnings that we had on those companies, this would have easily have pushed down already down to. Oh, that's a good bounce there. We would have started to push down a lot harder down to that level of 810. But we have some good earnings on some companies, so that's kind of holding it up. Nasdaq wants to make a move up. It is looking bullish right now. Keep in mind, it is looking bullish. It made a lower low. I mean, it made a higher low on the 1 minute. It is getting stuck here though. Just be mindful of that. If it starts to break like above 105, 110, then that's when you can start looking at to make a push up to 141. But again, just be mindful. Be careful. We have AMD making a little bit of a reversal now. It's sold off all since open. PayPal's looking to bounce a little bit. You could add here. I got in there at 11 or 12, sorry. Let's see if we can make a push up to that 30 now. I got out there at 17. It's whatever. Like, I don't want to stick around too long and start giving up my profits. But it's making a move. It can make a move up there to 40 now. Very good bounce there. I got out extremely early, but again, I don't want to be there holding. Ooh, very strong bounce. Straight to that. It might hit that VWAP too. So I got filled on that one QQQ put for 360. This is gonna be for me to hold more throughout the day. I want to see if we could start. Sorry, if we could start making that move down today, down to the bottom of this range. I'm gonna set some alerts. Very good bounce though. Very good bounce. Solid. So we're hitting that 5 minute again. Could get rejected here. Looks like we're about to get another pop here. Get ready. AMD looking to pop again. PayPal's finally showing some type of life. It would hit a low of 129. It's currently at 132. Looks good. I kind of want to go long here on NASDAQ for a short bounce. Let's see if we can do it. AMD's looking ready to pop. So we got a little rejection now. I would love to see this start testing new lows again. So that way on the 1 hour we can start getting confirmation because it is a new candle on the 1 hour. If you guys look, we have a new candle here on the 1 hour. It's a green candle so far. So if we could start breaking down and close below this one, which would be below 15.26, start looking good. As of right now though, it's bullish. AMD broke above now, above that VWAP. NASDAQ having trouble here. It is holding this EMA though, so you gotta watch out for it too. Still holding this range, be careful. Okay, starting to pop here now. Can we get above that VWAP? Or is it going to get rejected? Ah, it's getting rejected. Below that 18, you could start to get short. If I wanted to, I would jump in early now for sure, but I don't want to give up any of my gains. So I'm going to just play safe and wait till it gives me a confirmation and starts breaking below 18 with some good volume. Because it is holding this area pretty well. But it is having trouble breaking this area too. All right, this candle can be the one that breaks it. It looks like it wants to. It looks like it wants to. Getting stuck. It's getting stuck. Oh, here we go. I got in there at 45. Let's see if we can start making a push above that VWAP. And you start breaking 60. Oh no. Oh no. I would add normally here, but just because it didn't break this VWAP, I don't want to add. I might just get out actually. I'm out for now. It's fine. Gave up some of those profits. It was looking good though. Big green candle followed up by another green candle. It was looking good. Getting ready to break. Couldn't break though. So this could be the candle now that makes that move up. Be careful though. I wanted to get out just in case it rejects in general. I'm done, you know. This is gonna be the candle right here. There it goes, finally. It faked me out, but dude, I just didn't want to hold and get that flush down. But it finally made that move up. Without me. That's fine. Lost about $40-50 and missed out about another $100 on that push up. This is a pretty weak push up though. It's getting smacked down. Look at that big wick it left. If this candle doesn't start to make some good movement, I don't know. Starting to get rejected right away. PayPal, I want to short you so bad. All right, I'm gonna just be watching. If it starts to break below that what is that? 118. I'll start to get short. But as of now, I'm just gonna chill. Let it do something. Below 118, get ready to short. It's making that move back up though. Or at least it's trying. Ugh. It's still holding that. Starting to bounce again. I'm not gonna jump long just because the previous bounce was very weak. I'm just gonna chill back and watch. It is looking good though for bullish side. 1 minute candle, 5 minute candle looks good. It's getting rejected again. Be careful. Alright. Remember, below 118 we'll start to short. Get ready for that move. I'm gonna jump in early there at 25. Let's see if it could break below 18. See, this is what I'm talking about. If you jump in early, you get faked out. It could start to pop back up, but let's see if we can start to make that move. I did jump in early. I'll add more at 18. Oh, I added there at 22. Let's see if it could break. Come on, it needs to break. It touched it twice. Starting to break here. There you go. Just got a flush down there. Oh, it's so weak. We got to get a nice flush down there to 100. There you go. There, I'm out. Was able to cover out at 104 and at 99. It's very good. Currently up 266.50 on the day. I do have that one put that I bought on QQQ for 360. That one's more for like a longer play. I want this to kind of make a move back down below the lows. See if we can start reaching that 950 area. We're still about 100 and what is that? 150 points off. So I'm just gonna sit here and watch, see what it wants to do. All right. Nasdaq selling off a little bit here still. Let's go check out that QQQ put we have. 360 puts currently up $60 only. I am expecting this to make a new low, so I'm gonna keep holding this for now. Ooh, sorry, I was just running outside with the kids. Ooh. So I'm currently up about 25% on that put, which isn't bad. It's good. If I could get rid of this put at 320, it's currently at 303. I think I'll call it a day for today. Gonna give it a few more minutes before I do anything. Alright, so I was away from the keyboard for a little bit, and it looks like my QQQ put was filled. Nice. Very nice. So I think I'm gonna call it for a day there. All right. So for the day, I'm up about what is that? 2080. 2080 plus 266 plus 80. I'm up about 2400 or so. So I'm going to go ahead and call it a day there. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope everybody had a green day today. Yeah, catch y'all tomorrow. Peace.